Hey, how you doing? Pete here. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what's in the $1 Product Challenge to show you how to attract buyers to your business and the benefits of doing that. So essentially, most people try to grow their list and their business by doing something like a free lead magnet. And that could be a template, a framework, a system, whatever, and they'll give it out for free. And then over a period of time, the idea is that people will like whatever you've given them so much that they'll decide to pay you. And throughout that period of time, you're going to nurture that relationship. Problem with this is, and I'll explain why in a second, but free lead magnets mean that you're the one chasing this person. And what happens is that you have to chase them over many months. So it's 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months perhaps, before they actually decide to pay. And even when they do, the conversion rate is very low of those people who have come through from a free lead magnet to a paid offer. Here's essentially why. In your audience, there are two types of people. First of all, there are the takers. Now, takers, they come in via free offers, right? Free lead magnets, free templates, free systems, all of this stuff. They'll be like, oh, this is amazing. Thank you so much. It's really going to help me. Problem is when something's free, there's no value assigned to it because you've decided that it has no value. And so people view it with there's no perceived value for them, which means that they don't consume that content, right? When they don't consume the content, how do they know that you're an expert at what you do? How do they actually understand that you're able to help them? They don't. And because they don't understand that there's value there, they don't engage. So you end up with a list of people who don't open, who don't click, who don't engage when you do sales promotions of the offers that actually make real money. The other side of this are the givers. Now, the givers are people who have a burning problem. They are willing to pay for good information, and they will come in through paid offers. And when they pay for the offer, they see the value of that thing. So yes, they do consume it, which means that they understand that you are an expert, that you have a system, an approach, a whatever to help them overcome the problem. The people who pay are then way more serious, which means that they engage because they want to get their money's worth. What's weird with this is that even a $1 fee cuts out like 99% of these takers. And you want to cut out as many of these people as possible because takers will continue taking from you. They get your information because it's nice to have it. They don't really need it. It's nice to have, so it goes and sits in a Google Drive somewhere and they're like, you know what, one day in a few weeks, I'll go and take that. I'm sure that you've taken free lead magnets and never looked at them again after the fact. Whereas givers, for those people, the information is a need to have. And do this because they've paid to get it, which means that they have a burning problem they are actively trying to solve. And so by literally taking your free lead magnets, repurposing them slightly into a paid offer and building a smart offer stack to increase the average order value of that front end purchase, you can basically take what is a free lead magnet now, start charging $7 for it, and with the right offer stack, which we teach in the $1 Product Challenge, you can increase this to be a much higher average order value. So my own is $27 to a $47 bump to a $197 up to a $99 purchase as well. All of this within one system, which is what's taught in the $1 Product Challenge. So you've essentially got here, let's just call this 250, 280, 380, $380 potential of people coming through. What I'll say is that this is not important, right? This here is really to then give you leverage to look at other acquisition channels and not lose money. This is not how you make life-changing amounts of cash. What this does is it helps you build a list of givers. Givers are more seriously engaged. And that means that down the road, in a month, 2 months, 3 months, when you start to promote your high ticket offers and your other things, these people are more engaged and they'll pay to join those programs and those systems and those workshops and whatever it is that you're selling because they are serious people actively trying to solve a problem. The $1 Product Challenge essentially helps you attract buyers to your biz. The long-term benefits of attracting buyers to your business cannot be understated. The best thing about it is that with this system, you're not just attracting the buyers now, you're actually cash flowing today as well, or as soon as you get the system up and running, and then you have long-term benefits of working with those buyers as well. So if you're fed up of having email lists and audiences that won't buy from you and you need a better system, check out the $1 product challenge. It is, $27 today, and it will help you set up a better system to attract more serious customers to your business. If you have any questions, reach out to me, let me know. But I'll see you on the inside of the $1 product challenge so we can set up your own buyer attracting system.